Me too.
Somewhere. It's in Cambro for Nutri. It's a very English. Okay, welcome to my FM.
Thank you so much, bro.
No, we are so happy to have you on our radio. Now, when we talk about Fancy Gadam, who is Fancy Gadam?
Yeah, so Fancy Gadam, my name is Ahmed Mujahid Bello. I was born in the north.
Okay.
Tamale to be precise.
Tamale. Which part of Tamale?
Zongo, house on Zongo.
Oh, okay.
So I'm a Zongo boy. I'm a pure Zongo. My puppy be outside. My mom be that woman. So I did all the blender.
Oh, okay. So for how long have you been doing music?
Yeah, I've been in music not today, very long time. I've been in music since I was a kid. About 12 years today, or even more. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I've been doing music since I was young. Yeah.
So you've been doing music from your infancy.
Yeah.
But how have you been seeing Ghana music?
Yeah, it's okay. It's going well because at the end of the day, a lot of people are making money out of it. And then throughout their hard working, so I'm making money out of it. So I am 100% sure that.
Are you also making money from music?
As you can see, can't you see? I'm rich. I don't need to tell you. If you see me, you should know I'm rich.
Yeah, I can see you're very, very rich. The last time I was in Tamale, we came for a concert, and the name Fancy Gadam in Tamale means a lot.
Yeah.
You did a show and you were able to fill the whole stadium.
Yeah.
How did it happen?
You are saying it as if it's only once. We've been doing it like 7 times.
7 times?
Yeah.
You were able to fill the Aliu Mahama Sports Stadium?
Yeah, and not only that. You know, the National Theatre, the Lukum Square, a lot of venues that anywhere Fancy Gadam goes, the fan base come out strongly to support Fancy Gadam.
How many songs do you have now?
Uncountable.
Uncountable.
Yeah.
And which one is your favorite?
Favorite? I don't have favorite because all my songs are hits. All my songs.
I've seen you've been able to do collaborations with a lot of international artists and local artists.
Okay.
Which artists would you like to feature on your next album?
Yeah, so the last album that I just dropped in Tamale, I dropped my album. That is the Dream album, and we did a Dream concert. Okay. It was lovely.
How did it go?
Yeah, it was crazy. It's like things that happen, I can't imagine because I'm the only artist that can say my fans, hey, come out, and they come out. Hey, let's not go out. Nobody go out. That command, and you know, it isn't that I am bragging or something. That command, it is by Almighty Allah.
Okay.
Almighty Allah bless me, and then I strongly believe that I am so humble to that extent that whenever I tell them to come out, they come out in their numbers.
Okay.
Because recently that concert that I did in Tamale.
That's the Dream album.
That's the Dream album. No, that is the tour I'm coming here.
Okay, so you are here for the tour.
For the
tour.
So
you did the actual launching in Tamale.
In Tamale.
Oh, okay.
And I'm touring throughout
the whole
country,
okay.
like you know, the whole Ghana. And then this happens to be my first tour because I don't know here. This is my first time.
Okay.
And we have been receiving a lot of
How are your fans in Koforidua receiving you?
Oh, were you outside?
I wasn't.
So you would have answered yourself.
Okay.
You know, the whole of Koforidua town, you know, Gadam Nation is on the streets.
Okay.
Welcoming Fancy Gadam, and I strongly believe that tomorrow is going to be something else. Because what I see alone tells me something, yeah.
Okay, first let's talk about the Dream album. How many songs do you have on the album?
Yeah, so I was still telling you what happened. Don't skip it. I have to tell you.
Tell me.
Because when I was about to do the concert, the day of the concert, it was raining in Tamale.
Okay.
Like the hours of the concert, like it isn't that the fan base came out already and the rain came. Fan base were in the house and the rain came. They was like, oh, Fancy Gadam. Oh, even if the rain is raining stones or fire, they will come out to support Fancy Gadam because they can't be alive and Fancy Gadam program would not go successful.
Okay.
And so they have to come out in the rain. Stood in the rain, and I have to come out from the rain and perform for them to enjoy me. So you should know that the love that I have from the fan base is unconditional love, and I thank them so much for supporting me. They're making me who I am, and I strongly believe that fans from here would also do what support me, inshallah.
Okay. 35 minutes after 3 Abusi and the Fancy Garden and the Edin Komo. It's all about the Dream album tour. And now about the PMO Kofori, Fancy Garden Mufia and the Edin Komo. Fancy, let's come back to the album. How many songs do you have on the album?
Yeah, so actually I have 13 good songs on the album.
Featuring which artists?
Yeah, so I have Stonebwoy on one. I have Kofi Kirata on one.
Okay.
I have another one which has Kofi Moli, which has Kosi Atta, Carlos Man, and myself. And I have another one called Ebiyeye. I do it alone.
Okay.
And I have another one called Baba Lolo.
Okay.
I did it with some of the Jain from the northern region. My brother here is no. I have one other song with Sub-Zero, and I have one with my other one, the Donzi on Baba Lolo.
Okay.
It's a form of cipher.
Okay.
I bring a lot of talent. Like we are serving in one from that song. And all songs from the album is doing well in the market, and the fan base are really enjoying it.
Okay, first let me ask you this one. I know it will be very, very difficult for you to answer. You featured a lot of artists on your current album, the Dream album. What's your criteria for selection when you want to select an artist to feature on your song? What's your criteria?
Yeah, it depends on what I want. Everybody has his fan base, and everybody has where he controls. You understand? For example, last 2 years when I featured Sarkodie on my song.
The Torture Teach song.
The Torture Teach song.
No, first, before you talk about that, let's enjoy this one. We'll come back.
No, you can move. I didn't know that it's something there. I didn't know. You have to so that some of these people who don't say this thing. But he can do that, so let's send him the so that can so what we are saying is
no, well, when left with like 10 minutes to the time, we can do it in the local language. You need to talk to this guy. This is another president.
Yeah, I'm trying to
do you want to give out tickets or something?
Like a form of promotion. Do you have something?
Who is the organizer?
Who is the organizer?
The organizer is
Then
I love you. I love you. Why you love me? You know I love you. Why you love me? Why you say I'm you beautiful? Why you say I'm you beautiful?
38 minutes out for 3 and the Fancy Garden. They didn't come in area. It's all about the Dream album tour. PMO Kofori, Fancy Garden Mufia. Now, Fancy, let's talk about this song.
Yeah.
This song won you awards.
Awards.
What was the first award you received?
Yeah, I received Best Video of the Year. That is the People Celebrity. And followed by a lot of awards. Followed by VGMA, Popular Song of the Year.
People were talking about your award for winning the most popular song of the year.
This is not the first time for it. This is not the first time. Even
but people were saying you never deserved that award.
You see, it's not about saying it. Saying it is, you can say it, but the reality is there. You understand? Because at the end of the day, some people believe if you are reigning in Accra, or you are reigning, example, Koforidua, or you are reigning in Kumasi, you are reigning the whole Ghana. No. You can be big in Kumasi, or you can be big in Accra, but you are not big in the north.
Okay.
I can mention some names that in the north region nobody knows them. Trust me. Meanwhile, they are equally big. Ghana is very big. That's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
So this is not the first time when I won the New Artist of the Year. That is 2016. It was the same thing because I won over America.
Okay.
It was my main contender that year, and people was like, "But who is this Fancy Garden? We don't know Fancy Garden. How come can you win this award of America. You see, the thing is, those who are doing the event, like Charterhouse, they know what they are doing. They are not focusing in only Accra. They are like opening their.
But people were talking about you had a lot of fan base in Tamale, so you got a number of votes. That's why.
So that is it. So you have answered yourself.
I've answered myself.
Aha!
Wow.
Because at the day, if you get nomination, winning an award is beyond only the artist. If you are an artist and maybe you have a song and the song is big in Accra or the song is big in Kumasi, it doesn't mean the song is big the whole Ghana. No. I have some songs. If I play it in the northern region, if I play some songs in the northern region, my fan base can sing from word to word. Meanwhile, you have never heard it.
First, are you a warrior?
I'm a warrior.
Fancy, can you sing this one for me?
Ibi chama tubu ne che yala jalla zalaku durana karana da manazanta gwaila tangoma kabajela bite wum ne kadami ya ne dembe anya kabayina yara de fiele be jana dum jendur kulga munugul kibuga kwamati zimba kwamati dumba budramala warrior
Now, Fancy, let me ask you, what makes you a warrior?
Well, I was born as a warrior because my name is Mujahid.
Mujahid.
And the meaning of Mujahid is warrior. Yeah.
What were you trying to say in this song?
Okay, so I said, Mangomba maker, Okuto and maker. Somebody will not make you. You know, go feel and make you. You understand? Mangomba maker, Okuto and maker. Never. But teacher can so them discourage a banjishani come one day, maybe lecture. If you don't make somebody way in head die, try to lecture you. It go put you in a wrong dimension, and then you will be lost.
Okay.
All I was trying to say is that they should, like, every fan of Africa should concentrate. Even if you are doing shoemaker, you can make it. Don't listen to anybody. Concentrate in whatever you are doing.
Okay.
You will make it in life.
You have this song with Kwame Eugene. It's very, very popular here.
Get me like a bola. It be you when you accept me as your honor. You never go make her they cry. When they cry, you they ask me why. You they ask die. If I go deny you, only you there for me. If you be my life, oh yeah. Hey, geleng, hey, I don't go up. Many of you are up. Let people see me new set. Me new do ye, your man in Cambola. Katam them yelling, Munatube, shake a witch, yeah, she be gold, not take gold digger. Cut through my hand like a dagger. My own mother, my baby mama. You know they there for me. When I'm in pain, you they cry for me. My girl, I can never leave you lonely. My girl, I can never leave you lonely. Only you there for me.
Like a fancy baby, baby.
My name is Fancy. If you don't see, you don't see. If you don't hear, you know hear. If you don't see, you don't see. If you don't hear, you know hear.
People they talk say you do bad, they make that money. Others they talk say you not suffer, make that money. People they talk say you do bad, they make that money. And others they talk say you no suffer, make that money. If you no see, you no see. If you no hear, you no hear. If you no see, you no see. If you no hear, you no hear. De da da de be be dia we be ah e be ye de be be ye e be ye e be ye e be ye da da de hey e be ye dia we be ah dia we be I want to make money like Fuzak. Make money like mama. Hey, Kennedy, Japan. I wanna be like you, big man. And Haji Nero, 1990 Sultan. Money rain go follow me. And the press say money rain go follow me. You go follow me, Basa. Skr, Gada fancy film a melody. I don't suffer thing like suffer just to make that paper. If I don't make money, wahala, buffet play me there like fifth. Go.
46 minutes after 3, Fancy Gadam is in the building. Now, Fancy, we have a guest presenter here. Well, I'll pick the microphone, let's talk.
Yes,
No, good microphone. Bibi aboko de. Bibi ademo.
Bibi aboko.
Me mo akwa ba de ba my FM. Wo ba hu hu asai.
Eyi my first time here ever Koforidua, but I want to say Koforidua is one of the nicest places that we've been to because we've always been on the road, different places. We've been in Kumasi, we've been in Accra, we've been in Takoradi, Bonga, Afais, Kapawes. You know, it is about this dream album thing, and we're making it look like it is really a dream. So it's not gonna stay in the north because people have come to realize that Fancy Gadam is just not a warrior from the north, not a warrior only in the north, but a warrior from the north who's going to conquer Ghana in the near future. So after this dream, now, we have to make it look like, okay, let the dream go beyond the north. And that's the reason why we
now let's talk about tomorrow's show.
Exactly.
How is the show going to be?
You know, because it's a dream, every dream don't have a limit. You need to package it in a way people understand that it's really a dream. That's the more reason why that dream get artists from different parts of the world. If you're looking at international, we have artists in the album. Locally, we have artists in the album. Because it is a dream, we come in with most of the great guys who are down north and they are trying. A guy like this guy who is called Didonzi, one of the greatest singers we have there, and he's another great talent. This another guy, a very, very creative guy, throughout from northern region. He sings in a language no one understands apart from him.
Oh, okay.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Now, only me person will come and somehow will come in our one and tougher. I want more castle than nothing. It's if I would see one of what you in the bench here. Oh, some part.
I am a say, one my sakwa. The one that no sham, Talanya Sakatanaku Puka Pie, before the Anamsahan and never to Sahakatuni in Kanama. To Kumbita Malkayana come down or something if you're part of the Tapson by Yambi Koforidua. Inshallah Rabbi, Fancy Gadam, Sub-Zero, Nididonzi, the Manji face the trender. In the Pantana Koforidua, the Minipianama, the teacher to know them to come out, the fully the Chama to Puhi, Koforidua Zahabe, Eastern Region Chief, Kachanta Portugal, Fatuma, Malam Fari, Kapu, Nanamaza, Hatimini, or Hatanaji Sashan, the Nama Legend, but don't you sham Shuma and Anga for Abjana Sanyale, and already Tipuyani, Coaches and Takarian, and it's very beautiful. Double can not carry Fancy Gadam Kunku because then you dream album. To come born in here, so won't pay any yearly Dagbaloma and no manias and pump. You know, to be a north, can you go Pamela Kamania, Kaman Dagbang Yila, Dagbang Kunku Karabi, and Lala Benoma, the most of the pump. In your no interview, or Fancy Gadam Kamania, Ninebo Pamdaya and Nudila Award, Nella Award man, not that Simsu, but born of Wu Kamania, Tenambambi Muhammad, Tenankayana to deep in Shadens and the Ganaza. To la zoka album ngoma yina ne to bezan le palen da bankunku ti tu lo le kan to bora ni yina ka bang ne kamane ya da bang yila bu palen de tabang ti ku kanante non shu ngo yon karamali ya te kundi nyanga halbiti en nomben shaka maza hayon be milari yala des on dit donc beti superstar de sa man pour sama yebe yo maya tunku bo nete no si mbora yindi to inol ni bila fo ikana di azama ka banka mani ya di donc si be pas
donc ya shemnyala ay di donc di kinzi ma pour gurula male ma ater mama denen ce kan batum da surguma firuza abin yaran oluru terma an bayur makatum da surguma an kushir masham ngokerent man ce kan tum da surguma firuza abin yaran oluru terma an bayur makatum da surguma injelle abin nyale akonti banjelle ya tezale ku ya shemza ngama
okay ya ba kwa man so na tie for wo tie so afre no abam fancy gadam oh fear is all about the dream album you know much now yeah the tour no eba ko fobia kroma it was meant to be a 055-331-8355 when the fancy gadam e be din komo
me pa before we focus no you were another artist we ha Sub-Zero ba betwi
Super girl is
the camera teacher
Ghana ba kino nunkona nunkaba leleze na pukele minkaba Sub-Zero alankolo lunkowa lalanka la bala alanka la sikelema opikeni ofisa yabana na kukeba daga yayin polo zuba ha balagwang daga yayin polo
You see this? What did they talk about? We don't understand.
we shall
The only one who understand.
he's the only person
so now you can call 055-331-8355 055-331-8355 fancy gadam is in the building
94.5.
Hello, good afternoon. What too bad went to me and I saw 055-000-8043 050-000-8041 Fancy Gadam is in the building. Fancy, can you sing this one for me?
I go face that come on, yeah, oh. I go face that come on. She no be my girl, but she don't love me past my girl. She's just a friend, but she don't love me past my girl. So no, me you my girl, my girl. Yeah,
Okay, Fancy, hold on. No, we have a caller here. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Maybe you would baby I can say free.
Aha. Adam Nation. Aha. Bad. Gadam Nation.
Thank you so much for calling. Hello, good afternoon. Maybe you want Babyface, my mean to you. Nice one. No, show me your china. Patron. It's it. What's up? You may share me for you. But that's a pass away to me, a friend of you. Watch your game. Best friend Fancy Gadam featuring Stoneboy. Now organizers know when this show no home come kakra. Right to me you say obi be so ba show ni bia. But answer no bebem, let me pick this one and I'll come back to you. Hello, good afternoon. Maybe show within baby akase free. Okay, Christian mami to Fancy Gadam wa.
Stoneboy, are you ready? You can say on in Shatawali so.
Sharp. Okay. Mate. Now, Osaka will take it to the air. Me patron, you me much number gate and after what to ticket. We no now for falling in our mom, why? Fancy Gadam preaching Shatawali. What's make you no worry, cry. Obayama. Right, thank you so much for calling. Organizer, my member also. Ticket in here, say, rate in here, say.
Ticket in the Gumbi, the Green Swat to Pa.
Okay.
One year cry. Who transfer China over to tickets there? over carbon. In Canada, or say a culture center, or Honu, a sumo, and so, oh, train gate there, bra. Over there. It is a okra 20 Ghana, Obenyabi, and a 30 Ghana, so Obenya ticket, I will inside.
Okay, that's in your VIP.
Okay, VIP 30, popular stand 20. Oh, we have Fletcher one, so Obenya ticket in the OPPR, or we have Chairman Samban, so Obenya the OPPR.
Okay. Can we be sure you know about tickets?
I know tickets need your advanced tickets, and it's very important. Say your advanced tickets. No, into Chakati Soto Mabema, Bambi Yomabi Kantana. There's some of done with tickets, and I didn't song to pay Yanga. Was the no Shama Shuma started as our Dribi no Yugi. Was the my crew now come the Tanam. So Banya Manga, Kikunya Warlama Mama, Kidanya advanced tickets. Fancy.
Hello, good afternoon. Mebacho, we didn't be Yakasa free. Abobo Yabe. Oh, yeah. We don't grab Abobo Yas.
All right, so tell what minutes, yes, and my baby, so my tempers on my love, my very
so, yeah, Mutanina, Kunaki, Pasagara, Magana, some of the Kumuka zone now. When I look at Kowa, Ufito, Gobere program now, Kudo Kufito program now. Some of the Kumuka Fito that are north, Mukazonanga. When I saw Mugada so yeah, I can understand. Yakamata Kowa, Fito, Gadam Nation, Muntashi. Gadam Nation took Sami. Me, someone was silent of Jara. Gadam Nation took Sami. To Jara. Looking at some Zamba.
No, we have a caller here on the line. Hello, good afternoon. Hello. Well, too bad. Fancy, before you go, your final words to your fans and wrap it up on the show.
So I just want to say thank you to. Okay, before I give my final words, I think we have some artists here.
Okay.
He needs to say something to his people.
Okay.
You saw a microphone enough. Yabada will be a say, fancy Adam to me to Bedu, my FM has it. Yamfa Asidaka Siesu Emma Chairman Samba. Ona Ojina Ama Bibiat me Etun Kaimaya.
Okay.
And Mestre says Zongo Fonina, any Kofredo Bia Embra Ochina. Quechra Santana, ya fancy Gadam Shona, and Timin and Queen. And the account is saying, men can say, Ebia, Tam Nusu. Now I then, no, I better take to the battle tick to see. And now, watching and what's me and no about inside.
Okay, but that's about when you also come with your fans and I feel.
Zero.
Yeah, man. Don't go and the Shamami. The tuna so comes as I in a Yalanga. Catanola Burger, don't go and check out the Agoma. I'm fast bitch on Pama. Warlama got fast beyond. So comes our fans could be like your but don't put your sham. She to Zola solo. Castle in a Yalanga. Catazambi
Yalambali, Sub-Zero.
Kufrudua lazina katana guruze
It's okay.
Listen.
Okay.
Look on your shames and like equal Michael Bellogo comes out the dance voice clean now.
By a man of Mampusi, animal power.
Because the children of Cocoa, when Kakona comes out, Mampala Kuyata. I'm believing a yes, she'll be around. So that's the one numbers when you come out of Tunia, you know, but the support is
I know we ask for the
Kakachan to so comes out. Because Yaring,
Fancy, someone just sent a message. The person wants you to do Totachi Takabella for TV.
Why we say I'm you beautiful, next day and you are ugly. Why we say I'm you beautiful, the next day and you are ugly. Le. This been a total cheat. You must to see my lawyer. This been a total cheat, yeah. You must do. I don't know you be born one virgin, born two virgin, born three virgin, shame virgin. Almanta good. Dasu almanta mi ke bi tadashi ala lali karaki o yalmana semle ma sona bilamli mangura ngo sona bashili no le ngo sona bapoksila shili nkura girl why you like me say you be brand new girl even I know say you dey like me girl no I know one paint na minto enye side ya tu mi na minko now I love you why you brown me I love you, why you dey brown me? You know say I love you, why you brown me? Why we say I'm a real beautiful lady?
I'm just showing the part. Fancy your final message to your fans there.
Yeah, so I just want to say thank you to everybody who is listening to us right now. Maybe you have never seen Fancy Gadam. This is your first time listening to Fancy Gadam.
Okay.
And then yeah. So I just want to thank everybody for supporting me. If you have never seen me performing, this is an opportunity for you to come and see the reason why Fancy Gadam will be able to pack Sports Stadium. It isn't that Fancy Gadam is just an artist that I'll just come and stand here and sing, go here and sing. No, I'm a performer.
Okay.
Because I started with dancing.
Okay.
So I'm a performer. I'm a performer. Okay. Even if you don't understand my dialect, if I perform, you're gonna jump to it because I'm a dancer.
Okay.
And so you got no reason to be sitting down. Tomorrow, come and support the program. Gadam Nation to Uzame.
What time is the show starting?
So the show starting. I think the organizers would.
Yeah. From 3 p.m.
Yes. From 3 p.m. And then thank you to the management of this place for giving us that opportunity. And then big up on yourself for talking to us. Thank you so much. And your crew all.
Okay.
And then the management and then the organizer Samba. Thank you so much for the support. Gadam Nation to Uzame.
Hello. Are you there?